Hi, my name is Dimar. I'm from Poland. This is my testimonials for Joanna Southgate. I was working with Joanna on property clearing as well as business clearing. For property clearing, that was very helpful, and I felt like immediate effect and changed the vibe and energy in the home. Joanna also helped guided me how to do offerings for dev of the house, and so I could learn a lot from her. Yeah, I find this really nice work. About business clearing, it's a bit more tricky for me because I had actually situation I had really huge problems in business. I was working with wrong people, many mistakes were made, and lots of things were hidden. So when she did business clearing for me, uh, lots of things came up immediately, and it was a hard moment for me, but it was necessary in order for a company to survive and change the angle and then the direction. So both clearings were something I needed. I like it, and I find this very helpful. So I can finally recommend Joanna for this type of work. Thank you.